child's play, because we want to perform them. And now, on the count of 3, I will ask everybody on stage to take the biggest bow, or curtsy, or jump in the air, however you feel that you can. And everybody out here, on the count of 3, you will give the biggest red carpet round of applause that you have inside of you. I want to hear hoops, and I want to hear hollers. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Your head held high as you walk back very safely to your seats, because it's time for our new production.
Our next world premiere story was written by Charles Racine and Anthony Keaton. Where are they? Somewhere here. Oh, there you are. Just give us a applause. Here's a story about a boy who has been digging up the backyard, and then Mother Nature did the unthinkable. It's called Mother Nature's punishment. There we go.
Once upon a time, there was a boy by the name of Chuck. Chuck was outside digging up all the grass in his backyard.
And this is so cool.
What Chuck didn't know was that Mother Nature was watching him this whole time, and she was angry. I'm angry! So Mother Nature came down from her tree and said,
Digging up the backyard.
Why?
Because it's cool.
Oh, Chuck, that is the last straw. You are hereby punished.
You can't do that. You're not my mom.
Well, I am Mother Nature, so there. Now, your punishment shall be this.
had to take care for the sunflower seeds. He had to take care of the grass, and he had to take care of that baby tree that just would not stop crying.
That's it. You should have just said that. Oh, okay. Let me check and see if it's warm enough. Okay, it is. Okay, ready? Are you better now? Fine. Good.
Chuck finally realized how to take care of the backyard.
Alright, just watered the sunflowers, watered the grass. Alright, let's see, what else is there to do? I haven't even made it to his bedtime story.
So Chuck stopped digging the grass in his backyard because he finally realized that it is way easier to take care of the environment than trying to destroy it. The end.